to my another video, and this is my YouTube channel. So today we are going to play a game, car racing. So let's start. Over here we have different types of power: handbrake, accelerator, brakes. So this is the game, and this is the handbrake. These are all the controls. So now I'm moving. This is a very good game, and there are also speed brakes. So we can do free riding like this, do some skits like this. Drift, we can also do some drift, and that will give us extra bonuses like I got. So in the top right corner you can see that there is the car map, which is telling that how much your car has been, you can say, damaged and when you should repair it. So my damage is now 18 and I'm left with 82. So complete the mission Drift 100. We have to do a mission that. So why it's not working? What? I don't know why it's not working. It has too much power right now, 76 powers, but it's not working. Let me restart it. Oh, actually the problem was that we were not having enough money. So right now we are having a lot of money. So right now it's working properly. So let's go and do a drift. Oh, 59 meters, and we got $62. Oh, so there are some checkpoints that I can see. This is the green one. I think we got it. Yes. Now what we have to do? I think this. Oh, so let's go on a high speed now. So now we got 2 missions. Race challenge. Oh, this will be a good mission. Go. I have started the race and it is very important. Right now I am on the position, 3rd position. Oh no. This car is very good. Checkpoint. Oh, what did I did? So I got 2nd position, but I have retried the race again. So this time I think I will be 1st. Oh no. There was a car in between me and the other racer. I don't know, it is getting again and again stuck. So let's start it again, but this time, no, it is a race and I was thinking it's not a race. So from here, what I should do now? Oh, let's do this. Let's do a 360. I got failed in that race, but I'm doing it again. I'm left with only 17 powers in my car, and my car is now almost burning like fire. And it is not picking up power, and when it picks a little power, it needs too much just to pick up a power. Oh, and so this is an so which car should we buy now? So I think the best car is this one, Nismo GTR. So let's buy it. So I got it with full powers, and but it doesn't have thrust for sudden speed. Let's do a drift now. So I was on almost 200 kilometers per hour, but this car can go 236 kilometers per hour, but I think it can only go on 200 kilometers. After that it will be needing, I think, 100 powers. So right now we are on a bridge. No, I think we are on a highway, yes. Oh, it's out of control. Let's go on full speed now, as much as it can go. Oh, now my car is damage, starting to be damaged. So ABS locked, and now let's go on a drift. It is 26 meters, and now let's go. 1, 2, 3, and no, it's not. The turn is not coming yet. We again went on 199 kilometers per hour. Oh, drift. 81 meters, it's a lot. It's almost 100 meters. Oh no, this is a good way to do so many drifts like this. Oh, what is this happening? It's almost out of control. So now I think I will be able to handle it easily, because now I am a little expert at this game now. And now I know that what should be the car speed at how much wide road, and now it can be a lot of speed. Oh no! Now let's stop now and full trust now. So it's a long highway and we can easily go. Oh, there's a challenge for us to get as much money as much we can, and then it will be ours. So this is very important to earn money from this game. Not real money, the game money, but I lost. So I'm restarting it now. 1, 2, 3, go. This time I have to be. Oh, there's also time, specific time in which we have to collect the money. Oh, I was about to fall. I got $50 till now. Oh no, what am I doing? I'm only left with 20 seconds. Oh no! Yes, now I am going straight. Oh no! What is this? So now I'm doing it last time and then I will finish it. Let's try it one more. This is the very last time I'm trying this. Okay, so hope you enjoyed my video and please subscribe to my channel TND Vlogs, and now I will play Granny in the next week. So bye, see you next week.